হ্যালো ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু ইনফিনিটি হার্ট চ্যানেল। ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
introduce yourself, please.
Yes, I am Shraddha Shahriyar, a student. I live at Nobinagar in Shirpur district. My father's name is Mr. Abul Hussain Khan and he is a police. My mother's name is late Shoheli Begum, and I am the only son of my parents, and so that they love me very much. And now I study at master's level, and I have a wife, and I have a daughter, and now I am looking for a good job, and so that I am trying my best so that I can get a good job, and and in future I wanna be a businessman in agricultural sector. It's my I can it's my aim. It's my aim so that I can help in our farmers and our village people. They are not get their they not get their perfect money for their crops. And my hobby is gardening. I have a garden, and when I get my time, I try to spend my time in my garden to grow them very well. And I think it is very it will give me very pleasure to me, and that's all.
No more question. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.